will guide you through how to install CapCut on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and navigate to the official CapCut website. Once you're there, look for the download button in the top right corner of the homepage, usually located in a prominent spot. Click on it, and you should see options for different operating systems like Windows and Mac OS. Select the one that matches your computer. This will start the download of the installer file. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation process. A window will pop up, guiding you through the installation steps. Make sure to read any prompts and accept the terms of service. It might ask you to choose an installation location, but if you're unsure, it's fine to go with the default settings. Click I install or Next to proceed through the prompts. The installation should only take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you can find CapCut in your list of installed applications or on your desktop if a shortcut was created. Double-click the CapCut icon to open the application, and you should be all set to start editing your videos. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.